Hello plant lovers, today we're watering these plants, and before watering, take a look at them. Each one has a different watering needs. They all rely on a proper care to stay healthy and vibrant. These plants have been growing well, and now it's time to give them the moisture they need to continue thriving. A well-watered plant is better able to absorb nutrients from the soil and withstand environmental stress. Now let's give them a refreshing drink. Proper watering encourages deeper root develop, strong growth, and healthier forage. The goal is to moisten the soil evenly without overwatering. As the water soaks in, this plant receives the hydration needed to support photosynthesis, nutrient uptake, and overall plant health. Consistent care, proper watering, and right growth condition are the foundation for a thriving garden. Every watering session is an investment in healthier, greener, and more beautiful plants. At Hopawi Gardens, we're passionate about helping plants flourish one drop at a time.